welcome to my podcast. I'm very, very nervous and excited at the same time. अगर मेल डोमिनेटेड इंडस्ट्री सपोज बोलते हैं तो जो मेल अगर कोई बिजनेस कर रहा है वुमेन कर रही है बहुत डिफरेंस होता है.
It's not easy for a woman to start your own thing or even to start your own career.
Your father is very like chill kind of person, always support you, like not like other father कि नहीं लड़की को ये करना चाहिए ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए.
So my father is Mr. Thakur Digvijay Pratap Singh.
अगर मुझे काम नहीं करना तो वो मेरी चॉइस होनी चाहिए.
Absolutely. I think घर संभालना is the biggest, toughest job.
Toughest. So what is the biggest challenge for a woman leader in today's world?
There is no challenge.
एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस वुमन बनने के लिए कौन सी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्किल जरूरी है?
Self belief.
सो पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को आप कैसे बैलेंस करते हैं?
There is no word like balance. जो ये कहता है ना मैं बैलेंस करता हूँ या करती हूँ, that's a myth.
इन-लॉज कभी इस तरीके से बोलते हैं कि यू नीड टू रीच होम ऑन टाइम और इन थोड़ा सा इम्बैलेंस हो रहा है.
ये बिल्कुल बोला है उन्होंने.
यू टुक स्टैंड फॉर योरसेल्फ.
I took a stand.
आपकी फर्स्ट सैलरी कितनी थी?
38,000. Very
नॉट ऑल
important.
वुमेन वांट्स टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट.
एक्चुअली वो इतने यूज टू हो गए ना अपने एनवायरनमेंट को कि वो फाइट करना ही नहीं चाहते. जब आपकी शादी होगी तो क्वेश्चन ये किया जाएगा कि ये घर का खाना क्यों नहीं बना रही है, घर का काम क्यों नहीं कर रही है, ये ऑफिस क्यों जा रही है, और ऑफिस जा रही है तो काम करके क्यों नहीं जा रही है.
व्हाट अबाउट योर मॉम?
मेरी मॉम, शी passed away in 2019. She is the most inspirational lady that I have ever seen.
So who's your favorite one? So today's podcast is very special. आज जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, she is a strong woman, idol for many people, and yes, good human being. So let's welcome Bhagyashree Singh, founder of Miraki Group. Ma'am, welcome to my podcast. I'm very, very nervous and excited at the same time because strong women and standing for yourself is a statement, लेकिन बहुत कम लोग उस चीज़ पे stand कर पाते हैं because everybody is not same. Like all girls, उनको दबाया जाता है, वो अपने ड्रीम्स देखते हैं लेकिन फुलफिल नहीं कर पाते हैं. फैमिली प्रेशर, हस्बैंड प्रेशर, मैरिज, इन लॉज, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. जो अगर मेल डोमिनेटेड इंडस्ट्री सपोज बोलते हैं तो जो मेल अगर कोई बिजनेस कर रहा है वुमेन कर रही है बहुत डिफरेंस होता है, राइट? सो माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आपको कब रियलाइज हुआ दैट यू आर मेड फॉर बिजनेस?
So it's my pleasure to be here, Deepti, first of all.
थैंक यू.
And very right that it's a big struggle for a woman. It's not easy for a woman to start your own thing or even to start your own career. बिजनेस तो आप छोड़िए, आज के टाइम में एक women के लिए जॉब करना भी इक्वली टफ है. I started my career with working. I started my career as a job. I have worked with Yatra.com and then a couple of companies, and then I started my own business. I think when I talk about my life has been very much crafted. I think I believe in God a lot. And I think my journey as if it has been handcrafted and it has been written by hand. मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी एक एक मूव मेरे को हमेशा आगे ही लेके गए. And God has been very kind first. And मेरे करियर का, मेरे लाइफ का, like you told, male chauvinism, which is very much there in the society. ठीक है? And we all are saying that the time is changing, people are changing, but still, the thought process still remains the same. मैं एक बड़े छोटे से शहर से हूँ, मैं बिहार से हूँ, झारखंड से, मैं धनबाद से हूँ, but business has been in my blood. I hail from a business family.
Since childhood?
Yeah, so I hail from a business family.
Okay.
Dhanbad, which is the coal capital of India. बहुत छोटा शहर है, लेकिन वहाँ पे जो सबसे one of the oldest theatre is Pooja Talkies that belongs to our family. We hail from a business family. I have seen business from my childhood, since inception. So obviously I understood business. It was there in my blood. I understood about that. But yes, नए शहर में आना, दिल्ली में फिर completely अपने आप को establish करना has been a journey. And I will say it has been a very beautiful journey, which I have enjoyed throughout. And like you said, challenges, that's a part and parcel. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I never self-pity. I never doubt myself. Even if I'm sad or even if I'm doubting, I just take 5-10 minutes, I look at myself, I brush myself, and then I'm going to the next step. I always try to live in the present. So that has been my mantra, and I think
Mhm.
that's how I have been able to be successful in my life. And
That's beautiful.
my father has played a very crucial role.
Your
उन्होंने
father is very like chill kind of a person, always support you, like not like other father कि नहीं लड़की को ये करना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए.
So my father is Mr. Thakur Digvijay Pratap Singh. His name is.
Okay.
I am from a Rajput family,
Okay.
and he is a lawyer in Supreme Court. And
Okay.
plus, we have a background of a business background that we
Hmm.
have. सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है कि मेरे पापा ने कभी भी
Hmm.
बेटा और बेटी में फर्क नहीं किया. उन्होंने
Wow.
I have an elder sister, I have an elder brother, and I'm the youngest one. But my father has never differentiated. The
Okay.
best of the schools have been given to me. The best of the school has been given to my brother. We were allowed to do everything that my brother did. So I
Wow.
think
I think that's a root. That's a root
that's the root. That has been the base of my life, my sister's
for
life.
everyone's.
For everyone.
Yes.
And I think father plays a very role model case in terms of any child. And especially for a girl child, I think.
Hmm.
And we have always looked up to him. And आज हम लोग जो भी हैं उसका श्रेय मेरे father को
Father को
और
जाता है.
mother को दोनों को ही. But yes, father has played as a biggest role model in
So
my life.
one piece of advice that you can never forget from your father.
One thing that I think that he has put into us is decision making power.
Okay.
So मेरे father ने हमें कभी भी किसी चीज़ के लिए रोका नहीं
Hmm.
और अपने decisions को हम पे impose नहीं किया. Even if when we were young, I remember कि हमें कोई भी decision लेना होता था
Hmm.
कि वो हमेशा यही बोलते थे कि what will you do in this situation? Even
Wow.
if we were 5, 7, 8 years old, I think he would ask our opinion. And then we would
Wow.
say black or white. Then he would say, see, white is good, but
Hmm.
it should have been black. So he
Hmm.
always went by our decision, and then he improvised and polished it
He never
further.
imposed his decision कि मैं
Never,
like
ever.
I'm the male dominating thing in my
No,
family.
no, no, no. Male dominating to other.
It's
that's
like
a separate
I'm the
thing.
head of the family and मेरा decision
Never,
होना चाहिए, like
never,
most
never,
families में होता है.
never.
Never.
And that's the reason. That's again a base of my business life,
Yeah.
and that's the base of my journey. क्योंकि अगर मेरा decision making power skill strong नहीं होता,
Correct.
if I would have not come with that power and authority in terms of my decision making, in terms of my aura, in
Yeah.
terms of the grace that you carry,
Hmm.
I don't think so that I would have been able to be what I am today. So I think the base, जब नींव मजबूत होता है ना तो इमारत खुद ही अच्छी हो जाती है ना, स्ट्रॉन्ग
Yeah.
हो ही जाता है. So that's how things have been for me.
Okay, amazing. जब आपने decide किया that you want to come in business, so who's the first person जिससे आपने share किया था?
That was my husband.
Okay.
That was my husband. And again, in phase 2,
Hmm.
he has been a pillar. Again, he has never ever stopped me from doing anything which I wanted. He
Okay.
honestly, he always saw that in me,
Hmm.
and he never stopped me wherever,
Hmm.
whatever direction I wanted
Just like
to
your
go.
father.
He's not like my father, but he's a different individual in himself. And
Okay.
the best part is that he has always supported my decision. He always knew what I wanted to do, and he has supported that in all the situations. He has never been an obstacle. या वो कभी भी उन्होंने मुझे obstruct नहीं किया कि आपको नहीं करना चाहिए. Because when you get married, there are a lot of responsibilities, right? And mine was a love marriage, and again, they are also business people, so they had a certain thought process, right? They were also supportive, but
Okay.
their expectation या किसी का भी एक अपनी बहू से जो expectation होता है या एक घर की lady से expect, because he was the eldest, so एक certain expectations थे, but still he made sure that he is routing and convincing his parents and family in a certain way, which actually helped me.
Okay.
And I think that was a very important part in my life in terms
Yes.
of doing my business as
So
well.
कभी family ने convince नहीं करा कि भाग्यश्री पैसा बहुत है, जरूरत नहीं है काम करने की. So what is the need? आप आराम करो ना, chill करो ना. Usually बोलता है.
See, I'm a self-made person, and you won't believe, after 12th, despite of the fact that we were from a good family and then got married also in a good family, where financial need was not there, but financial independence is very important for any woman. I think a woman who is not financially independent for her own decisions and for her own smaller things.
I think decision ही financial independence के बाद start हो पाते हैं.
Absolutely.
Right.
So I think that has played a very crucial role. And I've been right from the childhood, like I told you, I was a very decisive person, and I have lived my life on my own terms. I think from my student life, I've lived my life on my own terms, and I've never looked back. So that has been the journey altogether.
Okay. And what is your why? Why you want to do it?
Why?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm a very creative person. I'm a
Yeah.
very creative person. I'm a very bold person. Like, I have read, I have seen a lot of people that it's not the regular girl who makes a history. It's
Yes.
the bold girl who makes a
Yeah.
history. People look at bold girls, a decisive girl, a girl of power, dignity, and authority in a different way. But I always saw myself that I have to move next step. The next step was, see, I'm not a person who will plan 5 years what is going to happen or what will I do in next 5 years. I've always been, what next? Today, what my schedule look like? Today, what I'm going to do? I have always been that person.
Okay.
So, मैं अबला नारी concept पे ना believe नहीं करती.
Right.
मेरे को मेरी बहुत सारी friends and people that I meet, they are like,
मैं नहीं कर पा रही, मेरे पापा नहीं करने दे रहे,
ऐसे नहीं, because
Any
something
reason.
is
Yes.
I'm not able to do it,
Excuse
you
and
know.
all.
But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप submissive अपने प्यार में हो सकते हैं, compulsion में नहीं हो सकते हैं. अगर कोई आपसे ये बोले आउट ऑफ कंपल्शन कि आप इस घर की बहू हैं, आपको काम नहीं करना है, या आप उस घर की बेटी हैं, आपको काम नहीं करना है, दैट्स कंपल्शन. Out of affection and love, I want to contribute to my parents' business, I want to contribute to my in-laws' business. That's a separate thing.
Yeah.
But out of compulsion, everybody is born with their individual right and identity.
Exactly.
You can't mix that with anybody else. एंड सबसे बड़ी गलती लड़कियां अपनी आइडेंटिटी
लूज कर
अपने पति के पीछे या अपनी फैमिली के पीछे लूज आउट कर देती है. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई ऑलवेज से दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू बी इंडिपेंडेंट एंड फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट.
अगर मुझे काम नहीं करना तो वो मेरी चॉइस होनी चाहिए.
Absolutely.
Pressure.
Yeah, I think घर संभालना is the biggest, toughest job.
Toughest. Easiest is like going out and work. I think so.
You know, see, both has their own plus minus.
But
I think घर
it's
के
like
रह के and घर को संभालना
that's the
it's
biggest.
the biggest, toughest challenge.
Toughest.
And a lady who is a housemaker, that's a 24/7 job.
24/7 and there's no कुछ appreciation नहीं है उस चीज की.
There is no appreciation. That is I heard Indra Nooyi in one of the interviews that that's a job without pay.
Yeah.
That you are 24/7 you're working for somebody and that's a thankless job.
Thankless.
And nobody is even praising you. You're not even getting paid for it. And end of the day, any Tom, Dick and Harry will come and ask you, तुम क्या करती हो? तुम
and everybody showing attitude, हम busy, हम जा रहे हैं, हम काम कर रहे हैं, and you're
and सबसे एक irony है कि a female, a lot of places the mindset is changing, but एक female ही दूसरे female को down करती है, which is very unfortunate. It's a time wherein we live in a place like India which with a women of variety of thoughts and variety of thought process. But I think it is changing. Women are becoming independent. Women are becoming supportive. But still, the ratio is very less. I think everybody needs to work on that.
जो boys की unity होती है ना, वो अभी women's में नहीं है. Boys
See, it's not about unity. I think दोनों का mechanism ही अलग है. Boys are a very practical being and girls are a very emotional being. So it's uncomparable. Nature ने ही अलग बनाया. तो I think कि we cannot even compare कि about the unity. But yes, the complete mechanism in terms of thought process needs to change, I think.
Yes. So have you ever failed one like any time? Like ऐसा कोई failure जो heartbreaking? A
lot. I mean, jazzy picture, the rose is always green. I mean, the grass is always greener on the other side. Wali baat hai. But I mean, we all fail as an individual. We all fail as a business people, as a lot of things. But your attitude when you fail to uplift yourself is important, right? That how you brush up and how much time you're wasting in pitying yourself. I always believe that मैं 5 मिनट से ज़्यादा अपने आप को पिटी नहीं कर पाती. मेरे साथ एक प्रॉब्लम है
You're
कि
automatically positive person.
yeah, I am, and that again comes from my dad.
Okay.
And many a time I try कि आज मेरे को रोना है ना. Honestly, I look at my mirror and I think कि आज रोती हूँ, फिर 5 मिनट मैं अपने आप को देखती हूँ, like you don't look good like that, you know, and then I'm out again
That's
working.
an amazing attitude.
Yeah, that's
Seriously.
I do. That's
Yeah.
what I do always. Yeah.
Okay. What about your mom?
Meri mom, she passed away in 2019.
Okay.
She is the most inspirational lady that I have ever seen. Most spiritual, kind. और मेरी मम्मी बहुत कम पढ़ी लिखी थी, लेकिन फिर भी the way she has brought us, you know, brought up is amazing. जो हमारे में kindness, humanity, spirituality है, I think, और वो जो X factor है, it comes from my mom.
So what is the biggest challenge for a woman leader in today's world?
The challenge, as such, there is no challenge, honestly, because there are so many women leaders who are shining and, you know, doing well. But I think for us, it takes an extra edge to prove ourselves, you know, because many a time women are taken a bit not that seriously, maybe. See, it has not happened with me. I'll be very honest with you.
Okay.
God has been kind. The people, the circle that I've met have always took me that seriously. But if I see people around
because
me...
you take yourself seriously, that's important.
Yeah.
If you take yourself lightly, nobody will take you seriously.
Yeah, but it is a bit difficult because we are a male-dominating society and still the top-notch chairs are being held, dignities are being held by the male in the country. So, but still, I have never faced that issue. Very honestly, I have never faced that issue.
Okay. You believe in gratitude, law of attraction?
Yeah, I do a lot.
Yeah.
A lot.
Really?
I believe in gratitude. कहते हैं ना कुछ ऐसे. I believe in aura a lot.
Yeah, that's important.
I get a chance to meet and work with the best of the leaders of the country, political plus business owners. I get to work with them. And I really am very awestruck by the kind of a journey that they have had. Celebrities and politicians and business people, business women. तो उनकी journey क्या ना बच्चे के लक्षण उसके पालने में दिख जाते हैं वाली बात है. I believe in that a lot. So I think a person who is a self-made person who has had a journey, वो आपको दिख जाएगा टाइम के साथ. एंड मेरे साथ एक छोटी चीज भी अगर अच्छी होती है ना, तो आई ऑलवेज लुक एट फर्स्ट टू गो एंड थैंक माय कृष्णा. आई बिलीव इन कृष्णा a lot, Lord Krishna a lot. So I believe in gratitude, yeah, big time.
So you made a gratitude journal that, hi, I'm grateful for this, like people usually do.
I have not done that, but I do that every morning.
Every morning?
Yeah.
So what is the ritual, like, since morning till evening?
I get up in the morning. I do my prayers first. I have 1 hour of meditation and
you do meditation?
reading. Yeah, meditation and reading and chanting. I do. That's a habit since long that I have. Then I do cycling, or I go to the gym, or I go for my walk for 1 hour. That is a mandate that I have. Yeah. I try to cook something if possible, then rush to office. And then the regular work starts. Okay.
So in gratitude, what are the top 3 things that you were prayed for or thankful for?
Everything. There's no top 3. I told, I live in present, and everything that has been there in my life, I'm grateful for it. And God has been very kind. And if something doesn't happen my way, I always believe that something better.
Good.
Yeah. I believe that. I believe that, and something good and much better is going to happen. So I've always lived with that thought process.
So that's a positive attitude.
Yeah.
एक सक्सेसफुल वुमेन बनने के लिए, बिजनेस वुमेन बनने के लिए कौन सी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्किल जरूरी है?
Self belief. I think you need to stop doubting yourself. Scope हर चीज में. Even if you know how to broom properly, the scope is there also. So you just need to believe yourself. I'll give you a very good example. I am from Jharkhand, Bihar, which was earlier known as Bihar, Dhanbad. Bihar, Jharkhand में generally एक mindset है कि अगर आप डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर या IAS ऑफिसर हैं, तो ये बचपन में रहा है, अब नहीं है. जब मैं छोटी थी तो डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर और IAS ऑफिसर, यही तो 3 चीज होते हैं, है ना. और मैक्सिमम आपको UPSC डॉक्टर्स एंड वहीं से आपको मिलेंगे. recently I heard someone tell me
Yeah.
that for me, and one of my age group, very close known to me,
Yeah.
that what has she done? I am an MBA, okay, and उसने किया क्या है that she's doing so well? Is she actually doing so well in life? Somebody told me about me, and I was awestruck. Somebody from that side only, and I was awestruck कि आज भी टाइम इतना चेंज हो गया है, आज भी डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर और आईएएस के ऊपर लोग प्रोफेशन समझ ही नहीं रहे हैं कि somebody can be an artist, somebody can be an influencer, somebody can be a beautiful podcast person like you, who is ruling the world and channelizing things. Somebody can have a good oratory skill. आज लाइफ में यही दो
Doctor,
प्रोफेशन
engineer,
नहीं
IAS.
बचे हैं.
Right.
The world and the global mechanism is changing.
Change.
And I was awestruck that how, and a person of my age, a person of my generation is asking this, what about my parents? तो thought process अलग अलग तरीके के, बहुत तरीके के लोग हैं, so you can't help.
और ऐसा भी होता है, सी वी आर पॉजिटिव पीपल, तो हमारी लाइफ में अच्छा होता है सब कुछ, बट कुछ लोग होते हैं जो हमसे बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क भी करते हैं, स्टिल उनको वो रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता, एंड दे स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग कि यार इसने तो इतना कुछ नहीं करा, स्टिल शी इज लाइक ग्रोइंग एंड अर्निंग सो गुड, एंड हमने तो बहुत मेहनत की एंड वी हैव नॉट डन इट. सो वो एक आई थिंक जेलसी फैक्टर भी होता
है. मेहनत का पैमाना क्या है यार? इट्स अबाउट कंसिस्टेंसी एंड डिसिप्लिन
एंड लक आल्सो. Luck plays
is
along
there.
with consistency and
मेरा
discipline.
मेरा नाम भाग्यश्री है. Okay? Wherever
So
I
you
go,
already manifested luck with your name.
my father kept that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I by God grace,
Yes.
I have always been fortunate.
Yeah.
But I'm saying that if I'm consistent and if I'm disciplined, I'll fail once, twice, 3 times. But then I'm born to succeed.
Exactly.
I started working when I was, after my 12th, I used to earn my pocket money, despite of the fact that
Just right after 12.
I was doing my English honors, I did my masters and stuff. But my pocket money, I used to work for it. I used to do something or the other to make sure that I'm not asking my dad for it. So
Wow.
that thing has been there since beginning. So that is very important that you believe in yourself.
Yes.
I believe is very important.
So personal and professional life को आप कैसे बैलेंस करते हैं?
There is no word like balance. जो ये कहता है ना मैं बैलेंस करता हूँ या करती हूँ, that's a myth. That's a myth, and nobody is perfect. Okay,
Yes.
and you have to stop judging yourself.
It's okay to be imperfect.
There's a concept called babi sabi, beauty in imperfection. So I
Okay.
believe in that. So
Okay.
I manage my everyday beautifully. I try to give my best. There are low days. That's fine. I'm a human being. I don't have to be too harsh on myself.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah. It's
That
okay.
I think there's nothing like perfection, and you should not chase perfection. You should be consistent, you should be disciplined, and you should give the best every day. That's what I believe is important.
So after marriage, work and personal and professional life, तो in-laws कभी इस तरीके से बोलते हैं कि you need to reach home on time, और इन थोड़ा सा imbalance हो रहा है, और do they support you?
They support me, but ये बिल्कुल बोला है उन्होंने. और I think a girl who will say कि she has not faced this challenge again is a myth, because down the line every mother-in-law or father-in-law will have an expectation that the women should be home on time, they should manage home, they should cook food, everybody,
Right.
but for me, I have taken my own decisions.
You took stand for yourself.
I took a stand. I have been decisive. My husband has been very supportive. And then to a point, they also started understanding things, that she was cut out to do something else.
Right.
And now they come and say me that you were a different person and we were seeing something else, But yes, they have never stopped me. Again, to them also, they have never stopped me that you don't have to do this. But yes, the expectation part has always been there. And this is not wrong. A person of their generation will always have expectations from you. But you have to define your own path and your own journey. That can't be decided on basis of somebody else, what they want in their life.
Right. And as I can see, your ambition is non-negotiable.
Yeah, it is.
Non-negotiable.
It is non-negotiable.
No matter what, like, so stand lena, and it's like you can't breathe. होता है वैसा होता है ना कि that's very important. It's like oxygen is important for human body. So dreams.
So initially देखो किसी के लिए भी easy नहीं होता है
No.
when you are carving the base of your career.
Hmm.
It is not easy. Like I told, there's no word like perfection. You know,
Right.
we all learn from our own mistakes and your mentor. So I have always believed.
So you have a
in-
mentor?
Yeah, when I started my journey, I had a mentor,
Okay.
and I treated him as a mentor, and he has guided me through my journey
Mhm.
of how I need to shape up. And I think that's very important. That push is very important. You need to have somebody to push you. There'll be days when you'll fail. There'll be days when you want to give up. You feel like, why? Like you asked me,
Yeah,
कि क्यों
what is
पैसा
why?
कमाना है
क्यों
ना?
बने?
But then there has to be somebody to push you. There has to be somebody to tell you that it's your journey. You have to make it differential. You can't be one among the
Hmm.
like it is said now that Ferrari just has 2 seats and a bus has 60.
Hmm.
So I never was among. I'm from Mount Carmel, Dhanbad, and हम हमेशा बोलते थे Carmelites shine. They look different in the crowd, and now I understand what the concept was like. And I have always believed in outshining, and I think that's how every girl is beautiful in their own self, in their
Yes.
own talent, something or the other.
Hmm.
They need to understand and believe in themselves. That's it.
Absolutely. So what is the one piece of advice your mentor has given you and that made you like today? Who are you today?
My mentor, he has actually one thing that he helped me the most was to be consistent and to never give up.
That's the most important.
Yeah.
Persistence and consistency.
Yeah. So even if there has been low days when I wanted to give up,
Yeah.
I used to shut down my laptop and sleep. And next day when I used to get up in the morning, again I was charged up. I know that was God grace also. And मेरा ढांचा भी वैसा ही था कि I felt like I have to get up in the morning and I have to work.
Okay.
So I never believed in sitting. मैं हर सुबह आज भी और पहले भी मैं अपने ऑफिस पहुंच जाती थी 9:30 बजे सुबह. So that
Okay.
was something that I've always practiced and that has helped me.
That's very nice. So ऐसा बोलते हैं कि the more you travel, the more you learn from life. You like traveling?
I love traveling. I travel a lot, and I believe in that. And then when you travel, your mind actually opens up, and
Yes.
you understand. For example, if you're traveling to, it's not necessarily different countries only, but locally also, if you're traveling, you're meeting different kind of people with different nationality and within culture also. You know, so I think diversity is beauty, and you get to learn a lot.
It broadens your
Till the time you're in your own cocoon and your own mindset,
Yeah.
the learning also becomes very limited.
Absolutely. And what is motivation according to you?
Motivation. It depends on my mood actually. So some days for me, motivation is dancing. Some day for me, motivation is traveling. Some day it's just doing my work. Some day, I don't know, it's family.
Okay. So what legacy you want to leave behind?
Nothing as such. I mean, I want people to remember me as a person. I want people to remember my deeds as a human being. I think that's something which will always remain in your heart. You know, that's something I believe. I believe in gratitude. I believe in humanity. I want humanity to be there. I'm a very emotional person personally, so for me, emotions are very important.
एक ऐसी हैबिट जिसने आपको आज हेल्प किया ग्रो करने के लिए. What is
ऐसे
that
कई
habit?
habits हैं. I think getting up, like I told you, decisive. I take my decisions very quick.
Quick decisions.
Quick decisions.
Yeah.
And I think in 360 degree, and I'm a multitasker. Multiple things I can do together. So I know a lot of people say that you should be focused on one thing, but I'm a multitasking person.
Women's की बड़ी power होती है. They can.
Not only that, in terms of my work also.
Yeah.
Like I can do 3 work together. You know, not only the home thing I'm talking about, but you know, in terms of when I'm working at one thing, I'm managing and focusing my different business also. So we are across into businesses. So I keep on thinking about things. So ठीक है. I mean, everybody has their own thing. Yeah.
Okay. If I talk about quick decisions, अभी मैंने recently एक podcast किया था. So she used to do interior decorator for like business and high-end people. She told me one difference between normal houses and big houses, like their decision making is faster. जो normal वाले लोग होते हैं वो पूरे दिन बैठे रहेंगे and they have lot of time. आप waste करवा दो एक week, 1 month, 6 months and they're okay. आप cost कम कर दो. But जो like high end people हैं, they take their decision very fast. They negotiate, but once they do, they just check banate hain and they go out. They don't want to waste time. They don't want to follow up. They don't want to come. So, what is your point of view, like in this decision making, quick decision?
Obviously, like I told you right from beginning, my
Huh.
quick decision making power has really worked for me.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean that my quick decision has always been correct. By God grace, I have been fortunate that it has been not completely wrong, but to
Yeah.
a point. So quick decision is very important, and your
Hmm.
action is equally important. So
Hmm.
not just decision, but your
Hmm.
decision followed by action. आपने
Action.
कुछ decide कर लिया और
हाँ.
अगले दिन से आप उसको अमल ही नहीं कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
then it's useless. You know. So quick decision along with action is important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
आपका सबसे बड़ा रिस्क जो आपने लिया अपनी लाइफ में?
सबसे बड़ा risk. There have been a lot of risk. I mean, there's nothing any specific, I think.
Okay.
But life changing was
Hmm.
obviously shifting from a small town like Dhanbad to the capital city, Delhi.
Mhm.
My entire family shifted at that time. It was the biggest decision of our family. It was
Okay.
not easy, you know. So I think that
You think that was a risk?
not risk, but it was a big decision. Risky तो फिर कुछ भी नहीं है ना, अगर आपको manage करने आता है
Hmm.
चीजें तो risk
I think calculated risk can make things better.
there's nothing calculated
No.
risk. It's just that you should know and you should have your A, B, and C.
Hmm.
You should be ready to work hard. I think then things work out. ठीक है, I mean even calculated risks don't work out. So it all depends. You should आपको अपना believe होना बहुत important है. How much you believe. जिस इंसान को अपने पे विश्वास होगा ना, वो हर situation में आपको खुश मिलेगी. उसको अपने हाथ पे विश्वास है. तो उसको पता है कि आप started from scratch. So I can again start from scratch.
Right.
That is something
Even
within
if I
me.
fail, I can do it again.
Yeah, मेरे से वो चीज कोई ले नहीं सकता. You know.
Right.
That is something within me. Wherever
Hmm.
I go, I will outshine myself. So this is the kind of an attitude and belief that you need to have in yourself. ये मायने नहीं रखता कि सामने वाला बंदा आपके लिए क्या सोच रहा है. आप अपने लिए क्या सोच रहे हैं वो मायने रखता है.
आपकी first salary कितनी थी?
38,000.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
That's still अभी यहाँ वो maximum audience के लिए that's a good salary. It was your
Yeah.
first-
When I started, it was
Hmm.
38,000 rupees,
Okay.
and that was also a journey. So
Okay. One question that ये मेरे DM में आया था, so I thought कि मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ. अमीर और रईस में क्या difference होता है?
ये मैं बहुत जगह कोट करती हूँ लोगों को.
हाँ.
बहुत फर्क है. बहुत फर्क है.
Okay.
अमीर जो होता है ना वो आपका पैसे से आंकलन लगाते हैं लोग.
हाँ.
रहीसी आपके मिजाज से लगाई जाती है, आपके सोच से लगाई जाती है. कहते हैं ना कि कई बार ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपके पास पैसे हो तो ही आप रईस हो सकते हैं. एक कहते हैं ना कि स्पेंड आपका दूसरे को देने की क्षमता भी कितनी है, you know. And एक कहते हैं ना कि एक बहुत गरीब, I also heard it somewhere and then I related it a lot.
Yeah.
कि रईस इंसान उसके पास 10 रुपए भी होंगे ना तो 10 रुपए भी देने में
खुश-
that
खुश
person
होके
will
दे
be
देगा.
happy.
हाँ.
एंड शायद कोई बहुत अमीर आदमी भी होगा ना वो 10 रुपए निकाल के नहीं देगा.
नहीं देगा.
तो इट्स अबाउट द
Big heart.
इंटेंट, हार्ट,
हाँ.
नियत.
Okay.
तो वो रहीसी वहां से आती है. वो इट इज इन योर ब्लड, इट इज इन योर जीन्स. वो आपके संस्कार में होता है. आई थिंक
So रईसी पैसे से नहीं आती, नीयत से आती है ना?
नीयत से आती है.
हम्म.
और वो आपके संस्कार से आता है, वो आपके खून से आता है.
हम्म.
वो आप किताबी चीजों से नहीं ला सकते हैं अपने ऊपर.
जब अपने आप को सेल्फ डाउट करते हो तो फिर आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या लेते हो?
I take a paper, pen, and I write. So whenever I'm like very confused or I'm self-doubting, I close my room and then I make pointers.
Okay.
Ki if I have to take a decision, like I'm too confused, what is supposed to happen?
Okay.
Then I take a paper and pen. What will be the good thing if I do this? What will be the bad thing if I do this? And then pros and cons, whichever is heavy, I take the decision. So when I doubt myself, I take a paper and pen and I write it down. So this is what I do. And then I
Okay.
read a lot. I read a lot. I believe in reading a lot.
Okay.
So I have a library at my home. I believe in reading. I believe in collecting books. And I try to take out time in the morning to read.
So which is a recent book you
I'm reading Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty.
think like a monk?
Yeah.
And what is the best quote or line that you liked?
A lot. I mean, the book is full of many things. I mean, I relate to
Even
that.
you can just name anything that you really liked from the book. Just anything, any learning.
Actually, one thing that is different about that book is after every chapter, they have given you an exercise, okay, wherein you need to ask questions to yourself, you know, about different phases of life. So would they teach you that even if you are there in the worldly life, how can you live a very detached life, or how can you live a life without any expectations? I mean, a lot of things are there.
I read somewhere about detachment. Once you start detaching yourself from anything, things you want automatically comes to you.
See, I don't know. I believe in God. I think sab unke haath mein hai. I think the day we are born, everything is written. You know, we can just put our action to things. You know, everything is destined. I believe in destiny a lot. So, मुझे ये सब नहीं पता क्या करने से क्या
मतलब
होता
अभी
है.
रिसेंटली ट्रेंड चल रहा था इंस्टा पे, मैं देख रही थी लॉ ऑफ डिटैचमेंट. यू आर वेटिंग फॉर समबडीज कॉल, आप फोन को देख रहे हो, बार बार फोन को देख रहे हो कि कॉल आएगा. द मोमेंट आपने फोन को साइड रख दिया, इट्स लाइक भाड़ में जाए, मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता, और मुझे नहीं कर रही, आई एम ओके, आई एम हैप्पी बीइंग मी. सेम टाइम पे आप देखना, आप फोन उठाओगे एंड यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग कॉल्स. ऐसा लोग, लाइक नॉट ओनली लोग, मतलब आप बिलीव करोगे तो होगा, आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे तो नहीं होगा. आई थिंक दैट्स kind of thing.
See,
letting go.
Again, there is no set theory for anything.
Okay.
But again, I read this that it's a law of nature that whatever you try to push away from yourself, that bounces back. Okay. And whatever you push closer, then in it could. I also read that somewhere. So again, nothing is defined, you know. I think everything is destined. I believe firmly that everything is destined. कुछ set law नहीं है लाइक, कुछ मेरे पापा हमेशा बोलते हैं सही गलत है, मैं भी मानती हूँ एकदम सही गलत है, बट मैंने एक चीज देखा है कि सही गलत का डेफिनेशन सबके लिए बहुत अलग है ना, and it's a very contradictory thing. So there is a lot of difference between honesty, transparency, loyalty. So honesty, transparency, and loyalty.
What is the difference?
A lot. You should read about it. Once you read, you'll come to know.
Which one is like
transparency is important? As per me.
And what about loyalty?
Loyalty, obviously, that is also important. Loyalty means being with someone what so may. आप सही हैं, आप गलत हैं, मैं आपके साथ हूँ. Honesty is telling exactly what happened. For example, if you are with somebody, you'll say कि मैं, या फिर you are in, for example, you're in CP. Somebody is asking you, where are you? I'm in CP. Now you didn't ask me with whom I'm there in CP.
That's honesty.
That's honesty. And I will not tell you that I am with second person.
Yeah.
You know, that's honesty.
Yes.
What is transparency? Telling exactly that I'm in CP. I'm with my friend. I am this. And that's loyalty is
that I am just meeting and normally.
No. Loyalty is I am with you, what so may. Loyalty is I am, आप गलत करें, आप सही करें, मैं आपके साथ हूँ, है ना? So that's loyalty. So this was a very beautifully defined thing. One of my team member only said that, and then I read in length about it, and I was very impressed by it. And I tried to inculcate that in my life.
Yeah, because in work also we used to meet a lot of people, and because we are married, so husbands also understand. Yeah, she's loyal for me. She's been transparent and she's honest. I think that's
the biggest problem is we justify our own self. Women are an emotional being. हम अपने आप को ही justify करने में लगे रहते हैं और अपने आप को सांत्वना देने में सारा टाइम वेस्ट करते रहते हैं कि second person, he must be thinking this about me, and this must be happening like this. Why the hell do you need to prove yourself? Why just can't you be you?
Exactly.
And why is there a need to prove yourself here? And whom are you trying to justify? And why are you trying to justify?
Yes,
I also do that a lot of time. I also do that. But then I'm like, why am I even doing that? Is it even needed? So ये सब क्वेश्चन जब हम अपने आप से पूछने लगेंगे ना, तो चीजें बहुत इजी हो जाएंगी. हम खुद ही कॉम्प्लेक्स कर रहे होते हैं अपने लाइफ को, पता है?
खुद ही सेल्फ वो करके डाउट,
self pity, self doubt, and I am a good girl. Again, I read somewhere that is very easy to be a good girl. That वही करो जो कोई चाहता है. It's very difficult to be bold and to do something differential in your life. You will have to be bold. You will have to take your decision. You will have to let people judge you.
Good girls never make history. Mad girls do.
Yeah,
you need to be crazy. And
you need to do, because society is so male chauvinistic that the moment you do something different, they'll start talking about you. These
Hmm.
females only will start talking about you, which is so unfortunate. Rather than supporting you and giving a shoulder to you, they will start talking about you.
Because they are not doing what we are doing. So maybe that's why they're judging. And they were like, we are not living such life. We are just following the trend, and we are being very seedy and just following the society, जो चल रहा है, trend चल रहा है. So I think that's the thing.
I don't know, it's about a mediocre thought process wherein you don't want to be independent, where you don't want to grow in life. It's very
Not all
important.
women wants to be independent.
See, down the line, I think every woman wants to do that. But
If you give them choices, if you give them choices,
नहीं, वो तो
they don't fight for themselves.
एक्चुअली वो इतने यूज टू हो गए ना अपने एनवायरनमेंट को कि वो फाइट करना ही नहीं चाहते. अंदर से करना तो सब कुछ है, लेकिन वो फाइट करना नहीं चाहते. They don't want to come to a phase. I don't know for what they want that tag. I'm अच्छी लड़की हूँ.
It just take one decision guts कि मुझे ये करना है.
And आप कुछ अच्छा काम कर रही हैं, उससे आप बुरी नहीं बन जाएंगी. आप बाहर जाके अपना करियर चूज कर रही हैं, आप बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, आप अपने मन का लाइफ लीड कर रहे हैं, तो why will you be bad here? And who has given you that right to judge any other person? You don't know what situation the other person is. हम बहुत 2 मिनट लगता है हमें किसी को जज करने में ना, but you really don't know उसके घर में क्या चल रहा है. Especially as a woman, I mean, आपने अपना घर छोड़ा, आप किसी और के घर में आए, आपके वहाँ के अपने challenges है. To even know कि उसके अपने challenges क्या है, आपको तो 2 मिनट लगा judgment pass करने में. But क्या आपको पता है कि what challenges is she going through? So empathy is very important. Understand before passing a one loose sentence.
Right.
Understand that she must be going through her own journey.
Correct. अगर there's a working woman and a mother, उस पे ज़्यादा pressure है कि she is so selfish, वो घर पे क्यों नहीं बैठती, वो बाहर क्यों जाती है, उसकी work बहुत important है, उसकी बहू को देखो, हमारी family वाली lady को देखो, right? She is at home. तो ये वाला चैलेंज भी बहुत बड़ा होता है. आई थिंक ये
देखो चैलेंज क्रिएट करने वाली बात है. जब आपकी शादी होगी तो क्वेश्चन ये किया जाएगा कि ये घर का खाना क्यों नहीं बना रही है, घर का काम क्यों नहीं कर रही है, ये ऑफिस क्यों जा रही है, और ऑफिस जा रही है तो काम करके क्यों नहीं जा रही है, और ऑफिस से आ करके काम क्यों नहीं कर रही है. ठीक है, उसके बाद जब बच्चा होगा तो शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. शी इज नॉट अ गुड मदर. व्हाई इज शी नॉट गिविंग टाइम टू अ चाइल्ड? बट अंडरस्टैंड दैट योर चाइल्ड नीड्स टू सी अ हैप्पी मदर. He or she will be. आज मेरा बेटा है, he is a 6-year-old, and मैं जब वो मेरे को खुश देखता है, as a enterprising woman देखता है, as a lady देखता है, उसको खुशी मिलती है देख करके. उसकी एक learning हो रही है that my mom is a strong woman, right? So we are leaving a role model and example to our child
and breaking the stereotypes like society used to.
Absolutely breaking the stereotype. And who has defined that women needs to cook here? And who has defined the best of the chefs are male here? So who has even defined that?
Right. So talking about your brand and company that you do, so brand बनाने में सबसे common गलती क्या होती है?
That generally the biggest problem that people do, they develop a very good product, ठीक है, and they do not know how to market that. So both the thing are equally important. Creating a product and marketing that very well. So we are an integrated communication group. We're one of the leading agencies in India. We are doing work for best of the brands and government sector.
Yes.
We are a huge team of 200 people working all across for us and globally also and stuff. So सबसे बड़ी गलती जो मैं देखती हूँ लोगों में कि वो अपने आप को प्रोडक्ट तो बना लिया, टेक्निकल लोग हैं ना, अपने मार्केट नहीं करना आता. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. यू शुड बी इक्वली स्ट्रॉन्ग एट बोथ द पिलर्स. सो अगर आप प्रोडक्ट बना लेंगे और आप उसको मार्केट नहीं करेंगे और अपने लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचाएंगे तो योर कंप्लीट एफर्ट गोज इनटू वेन. हु नोज योर प्रोडक्ट इज नाइस.
So marketing is not an expense, it's an investment.
It is the only investment that you can do to your product. कई बार ऐसे प्रोडक्ट जिसकी क्वालिटी बहुत लो होती है वो मार्केट में बहुत अच्छा कर रहा होता है क्योंकि उसकी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग है. और कई बार बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में डाइल्यूट हो जाता है क्योंकि उन्होंने राइट मार्केटिंग नहीं करी है. सो द स्ट्रैटेजी इन टर्म्स ऑफ द मार्केटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So as a marketing consultant, as a marketer, that's my advice to people. But obviously Rome was not built in a day. It takes time to build up a brand. It is about what solution you're providing to your consumer. Your
Okay.
consumer wants to see the solution that you're giving to them. So that's very important.
Okay. And you have a team of 200 people.
Yeah.
What quality you see in people while hiring?
I need smart people. I need hardworking people.
Mhm.
I need people who has that energy and aura. Energy is very important
Aura.
for me. Very important. Energy, मतलब वो होना चाहिए that I have to do something. A person who goes by clock, I don't believe in them. And वो लोग जो 9 to 6 वाला thought process रहेगा ना, वो कभी लाइफ में बड़ा कर भी नहीं पाएंगे, है ना? तो अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा करना है तो you will have to think differentially. So I
Okay.
think that is your energy is very important.
Yes. Positive attitude.
Positive attitude, a problem solving attitude, these
Hmm.
things are very important, I think.
Okay. ऐसा कोई प्रोजेक्ट जो आपके वर्क में ऐसा हुआ हो कि वो ब्लंडर हो गया एंड यू सॉर्टेड एंड हाउ यू डिड दैट?
A lot of them. I mean, very honestly, we are an agency which is a very high demanding job, and there has been deadlines, and we work on multiple clients. So morning we have submission and nothing has happened. So we work overnight. We have worked overnight.
Okay.
We had to deliver a lot of press conference. We keep on doing. जहाँ मीडिया तो टर्न अप हो गई लेकिन किसी ने छापा नहीं.
So you do pan India and
We do
Dubai.
pan India. तो
Okay.
काफी challenges हैं, you know. ये हमारा it's a ongoing thing. Ongoing thing. It's
And how you solve it?
solve करना है बस. साम दंड वेद कुछ भी करके solve करना है. You don't have a solution. You
Yeah.
can't panic.
पैसा important है या peace?
दोनों important. I'm not a person. Ultimately, the byproduct is money, and we all want money, and this entire system works on money. You know, so that is very important. But I think when you find peace with money, it's nice.
It's a blessing.
You know? It's a blessing. So I think that should be the objective.
Because I read it from somewhere. अगर आपको कोई भी unfair advantage मिलता है, you should take it. Why not? Even up the Bollywood industries में like people are getting because they're daughter of a Bollywood director and they got role. Everybody have some. ठीक है, business में भी होता है. So अगर किसी के पास है, so why not take an edge? So just asking, what is the unfair advantage?
Nothing like that, honestly.
No.
Nothing like that. But I think being a woman is the biggest strength that I have.
Okay.
And being a person of authority and power is the biggest strength that I have had. And I've worked towards that. So I think that can be one of the edge that I have.
आप self doubt को कैसे deal करते हो?
Like I told you, self-doubt, I just
Yeah.
write it down. I write my thought process right and wrong. And then I work on that. I love
Okay.
myself. I don't feel like doubting myself much.
What is a personal success mantra?
Personal success mantra.
mantra.
Hard work,
Hard work.
consistency, discipline, never give up, decision. A lot of things, I think.
lot of things. Okay, आपको grounded क्या रखता है?
My roots, my parents, my mother, the way I've been brought up, the challenges that we have seen in our life. I think that's one of the biggest things that we have been able to achieve what we have achieved. All the people who have looked down on you. That's my biggest inspiration. लोग सोचते हैं ना कि आपके साथ कोई बुरा करता है तो you have to see in a certain way. But every time who has pinched me hard, anybody, I have taken that as an inspiration.
You still remember बचपन को कुछ
I
ऐसा
remember
time?
it from bachpan to my adulthood, everything. I remember everything. एकदम mark है मेरे दिमाग में.
Okay. So I
और
think
मुझे जवाब देने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. ऑटोमेटिकली उनको जवाब मिल गया. So इतना वर्क हार्ड करो, इतना सक्सेसफुल हो जाओ लाइफ में आप, खुद उनको जवाब मिलेगा. When someone गीता में है ना कि जब आपको कोई बोले ना your karma will hit you hard, you should smile and laugh because
that's a blessing.
That's a blessing.
Yeah.
You've been so kind and good that it should be a blessing.
Yeah. कोई आपके साथ गलत कर रहे, let it be. आपको पता है आप अच्छे हो. I think हर किसी को जवाब देना भी, you need to choose your fight also.
Choose your battles very wisely.
Yeah. Not everyone deserves your energy and time.
But battle करना भी बहुत important है. एक point पे I used to give up. कि अरे क्यों जवाब देना. But वही है गीता में कि पाप सहने वाला पाप करने वाला से ज़्यादा बुरा है. तो at a point you need to choose your battle. But yes, choose your battle very wisely. That is also very important.
Right. And you are जो 4-5 लोग के साथ जो आप रहते हो, you become the same person. So do you believe in this?
Yeah, I believe that absolutely.
Hmm.
But see, when it comes to your childhood friends and
Hmm.
your childhood people, you can't be judgmental towards that.
Hmm.
They will always remain, and my friends mostly are my childhood friends. So I never try to learn from them. To be very honest, ठीक है अच्छे हैं यार, and we
Yeah.
enjoy. That is a good thing. और उनमें भी बहुत they are doing really well. कहते हैं ना, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर वाली बात होती है.
हाँ.
But then apart from that, I try to one of the biggest thing that I want to do, I love meeting influential people. I love understanding their journey
Okay.
and how they have grown, how they have taken things. I listen a lot, I read a lot.
So who's your favorite one among all you met?
Honestly, favorite तो मैं will be too personal, but
It's most inspirational.
मैं one on one interaction नहीं हुआ है मोदी जी के साथ मेरा. मैं मिली हूँ उनको, मतलब I have met him, but I have not got an occasion. I've seen him, I've met him like this close.
Mr. Narendra Modi
ji.
Wow.
I've seen him this close, but I've not met him one on one. But I think अभी 2 दिन पहले भी मैं उनका interview देख रही थी. I love his person. I'm not a political person. I don't believe in politics. But Narendra Modi ji as an individual, the personality that he is, the kind of thought process that he has, the way he conducts himself internationally, the kind of confidence that he has. I somehow, matlab, the moment he entered the room where
he wins already win. जैसे वो रूम में एंटर करते हैं ना वो जीत जाते हैं.
Aura मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए. और मैं ऑनेस्टली
Really?
बता रही हूँ, या आई टेक एंड सेंस ऑरा वेरी वेल.
Yeah,
आई डोंट
me
नो
too.
किसका क्या परसेप्शन है उनको.
Yeah.
उनको कोई किसी और नजर से दिखता होगा, लेकिन जब मोमेंट वो एंटर हुए, मेरा मतलब लिटरली फॉर हाफ एन आवर 45 मिनट्स आई हैड गूज़बम्प्स and
Wow.
I was like awestruck looking at him. And after 45 minutes I was like, ठीक है, I normalized, and we were doing one event in which he had come. So it was a moment. I really look up to his personality, not in terms of what he has done. I mean, मेरे को उनकी journey बहुत अच्छी लगती है. तो I look up to him. Yeah.
Like he controls the world ऐसा लगता है. Like everyone loves him.
और his
Leaders.
individual capacity उनका मुझे और बहुत strong लगता है. कुछ तो है.
There's something that you can't ignore him.
You can't ignore him. You can't ignore him. Yeah.
Okay, viral content का real formula क्या होता है?
बहुत formulas है उसमें.
If you can suggest.
अब everything, the timings are important, the content, the quality, everything is important. And
जैसे कोई brand को कुछ करना है, कुछ post करना है, तो if any 3 tips or suggestions that you want to give?
See, viral content पे focus ना करें, अपने product पे focus करें, quality पे focus करें, और right audience पे focus करें. To a brand.
Okay.
No, I'm talking about a brand who wants to market themselves in the industry. They have to make the user experience easier, right? So they have to have a storytelling approach. Their product needs to have a differential position in the market. Their product needs to have that people, when they think about the logo, when they think about the brand, a certain persona is created about the brand, which is missing. आज के समय में brands सिर्फ और सिर्फ product selling पे focus कर रहे हैं. It can go for a while, but if you want to have a long-term market, you will have to focus on a storytelling approach. You will have to have an emotional connect. AI is changing the entire industry and has taken things on a different mechanism. But Smart is one who knows how to mix human intervention with AI. And you have to move along with that. Human intervention is about emotions. Right? So आपके brands अगर emotional connect नहीं है, Apple is Apple, Nike is Nike. Nike has its own story, you know. So that storytelling is very important.
Storytelling can help you like getting viral also.
Yes, of course. Your base work, but your major focus should not be getting viral. It's not, मतलब सिर्फ वायरल होना हमारा फोकस नहीं होना चाहिए. वायरल तो होना ही है यार, कंटेंट तो आना ही है, स्पीड तो चाहिए ही, ठीक है. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, लोगों में पेशेंस नहीं है.
कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ ही
कंसिस्टेंसी, पेशेंस एंड क्वालिटी
quality.
product knowledge, a lot of things.
People are
there,
just
yeah.
focusing on sales and not focusing on marketing and storytelling. I think they should take it.
They are focusing on marketing, but a wrong strategy
Wrong
and a wrong
strategy.
input. It is very important which mind is working on your brand.
Okay.
You know, there are so many freelancers, there are so many agencies, but which mind is working on your brand? What kind of story, what kind of an emotional connect? What is the story behind your brand? The essence is very important. That emotional connect is important. You can't be robotic, right?
So, this podcast was very, very amazing, and I really learned a lot of things from you. I hope the audience also. So, one last message for the young women and girls who wants to do something in their life and they're stuck.
I always say that believe in yourself, stop doubting yourself, and take action. That is very important. You'll fall, but then you should have the courage to get up. So I think that is very important. So we need to work on that, which is missing. Self belief is very important.
Self-belief,
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching this episode, and do share, like, and subscribe, and see you next episode. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bhagyashree ma'am. It was really, really pleasure meeting you.
Same here. It was a lot of pleasure meeting and talking to you, Deepthi. Good luck.
Thank you.